Hey guys, let's talk about this interesting probability problem. A drawer contains three pairs of socks, black, gray, and white. If two socks are pulled out, what's the probability of those two socks forming a matching pair? In our first case, when two socks are pulled out at a time, in the denominator, we pull out 2 out of 6 individual socks, and in the numerator, we pull out 1 out of 3 pairs, and within that pair, we pull out 2 out of 2 socks. By taking the ratio of those combinations, we reach the result. In our second case, when one sock is pulled out at a time, in the denominator, we pull out 1 out of 6 individual socks and another one out of 5 remaining socks. And in the numerator, we put out 1 out of 3 pairs, and within that pair, we put out 1 out of 2 socks and the other one out of 1 remaining sock. By taking the ratio of those implicit permutations, we reach exactly the same result as in our first case. Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you in the next video.